In an industry where precision meets creativity, the humble carpenter is often overlooked, until you realize the average American home relies on their skills. Today, we'll dissect every rung of this essential career. Carpentry has been a cornerstone of human civilization for centuries. From ancient pyramids to modern skyscrapers, these skilled artisans shape our built environment. With competition fierce and margins slim, the hierarchy is clear. Only the most talented and dedicated rise through the ranks. Newly minted apprentices begin their journey with on-the-job training under experienced mentors. They'll earn a modest $25,000 to $30,000 annually, typically requiring 0 to 2 years of experience. Daily life involves learning the ins and outs of tools, materials, and construction methods. Insider jargon includes understanding blueprints and shop talk. One surprising truth: apprentices often work long hours for little pay, sacrificing personal lives for career growth. With several years under their belt, journeyman carpenters possess in-demand skills and earn a respectable $40,000 to $55,000 annually. They typically require 3 to 5 years of experience. Daily life involves taking on more responsibility, leading small teams, and developing expertise in specific areas. Insider jargon includes spec drawings and estimating software. One surprising truth: journeyman carpenters often face pressure to stay up to date with evolving building codes and regulations. As foremen, these experienced pros oversee entire projects, commanding salaries of $60,000 to $75,000 annually. They typically require 5 to 10 years of experience. Daily life involves managing budgets, scheduling crews, and ensuring quality control. Insider jargon includes project management software and client relationships. One surprising truth: foremen often balance the demands of multiple stakeholders while maintaining a high level of craftsmanship. Seasoned seniors earn $80,000 to $100,000 annually, typically requiring 10 to 15 years of experience. Daily life involves mentoring junior staff, developing company policies, and staying abreast of industry developments. Insider jargon includes OSHA compliance and employee training. One surprising truth: senior carpenters often face the challenge of succession planning, ensuring the skills and knowledge they've acquired are passed down to the next generation. The creme de la creme, master carpenters earn $120,000 to $150,000 annually, typically requiring 15 to 20 years of experience. Daily life involves collaborating with architects, engineers, and clients to create bespoke projects. Insider jargon includes design build and value engineering. One surprising truth: master carpenters often balance artistic vision with practical constraints, ensuring the highest level of quality and attention to detail. The pinnacle: master craftsmen command salaries upwards of $200,000 annually, typically requiring 20-plus years of experience. Daily life involves creating iconic structures that redefine industries, often working closely with developers and investors. Insider jargon includes high-rise construction and infrastructure development. One surprising truth: master craftsmen must balance the pressure to innovate with the responsibility to ensure public safety and quality. As we reach the top of this storied career, one thing becomes clear: only the most exceptional carpenters earn the title Master Craftsman. They've spent decades mastering their craft, pushing boundaries, and inspiring a new generation. Climbing the ladder of success requires sacrifice, long hours, personal relationships strained, and the constant pressure to innovate. But for those who make it, the rewards are well worth the cost. Join us next time as we explore another essential career path. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at the world of work.